guys, what's up? It's me, Princess.
And Nicole.
And for this video, we are going to show to you our Notion because we are going to plan our 2023 with Notion. Tayo ko kasi napapanood ng British, guys. Kaya parang nakuha na yung loob ko. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Princess.
Hi, Nicole.
And for today's video, we are planning our 2023. You guys don't know, malapit na mag-New Year. Or baka New Year na papanood dito. Baka may mga fireworks na dyan sa paligid nyo or something. Before we proceed sa ating vlog, guys, we just want to say thank you to everyone na nanonood sa vlogs namin.
Nag-support until 2022.
Yes.
So since we want to start the year right, we decided to plan ahead with Notion.
I think you guys are familiar now with it.
Na-share na namin yung aming school Notion, our business.
Work Notion.
Yeah. So this time, we're going to share our 2023 yearly goal trackers with Notion.
Yeah. Every time na mag-New Year talaga, meron tayo sa self natin na parang, ay, gusto natin mag-change for the better.
Yeah, and I need to plan.
Kailangan ko maging organized this year. Next year, kailangan ko na maging organized, more organizer. Para talaga ma-make sure na ma-maintain and ma-sustain sustainability. Para ma-maintain ang productivity natin and ang pagiging organizer.
So here's our 2023 yearly goal tracker. Of course, hindi pa naman final lahat since nga ipaplan namin siya today with you all.
You guys can duplicate it and edit it. So like what we're gonna do right now. So
okay,
let's go. Since ako daw mag-decide ng cover for us. Okay, so as you can see, meron na silang mga photo provide. Oh, that's cute!
Pili ka na lang
photo provided like this. But you guys can still upload your own. So, kung gusto niyo photo ni Nicole, or photo ko, or something, photo ni Limin or what. You can also search mismo sa Notion, sa mga available or provided images nila dyan. So, naman, New Year. Para ma-inspire mga fireworks, para sumabog naman yung laptop natin. Gusto ko na yung kanina sa ayoko parang
party.
Tada.
Cute.
Diba? Yeah! Parang travel kasi yan pag yan eh. Pag yan. Okay, finally, we decided na magkaroon ng cover, but you guys can still change it naman through time. So, para maging motivated kayo.
Naglagay ako dito ng quote, but you can change it as well.
Where focus goes, energy flows. I wanna change it.
Yeah, let's search for like 2023 mantra.
Yeah.
Ito yung nilagay ko eh. Where focus goes,
energy flows. I don't chase, I attract. Whatever belongs to me will simply find me.
Ano yun ulit?
I don't chase, I attract. With S.
Ang pangit naman.
Ang pangit pala.
Ang corny.
Okay na yung kayo na wherever it goes, where it flows.
Basta you can change it. Or baka pwede mo rin tanggalin yan. Basta parang reminder mo lang yan everyday. Okay, this is something new for us. This is what you call quarterly goals. When you click this actually, nakalagay dyan yung January, February goals, March goals. But you can put like, kunyari, gusto nyo muna January goals lang. You can put it here.
Yeah.
First is
damihan nyo, ganun guys.
You can click duplicate and tada!
Tada! You guys can change the cover photo as well. So it's really up to you guys. Like what we said, this Notion naman is very customizable. So you guys can do whatever you want. Ayaw naman natin, pinipilit tayo sa design na ayaw natin.
Yeah, but the reason why we decided to go with quarterly goals, para konti lang yung makikita namin here. Like, compared sa January, February, March.
Yeah, kasi
ang dami
12 months eh. Ang dami nun.
So we decided like,
cut it into quarterly.
Group sila. As you can see, we have January goals. Then you can list 6 goals, pero you can add pa naman. Pero
I wanna add one goal.
Okay, what? Okay, ulit. Change hair color.
Yeah, I wanna change my hair color this upcoming January, so watch out for that.
And then we also added itong what did you accomplish this month? And then,
where did you fall short? Where did you fall short this month?
Yeah, so you can like keep track of ano yung mga na-miss mo. And
kasi nga, it's a 2023 yearly goal tracker. It's a goal tracker, so all of your goals must be tracked.
So pag hindi mo na-accomplish, you'll have naman the next month.
Yeah, you can still do it. Don't.
So that's basically the idea of this tracker. We have here a table. So this is our 2023 goals. And what I like about it is meron siyang status dito.
Yeah.
This is very important, lalo na if you're keeping track of your progress. You can add a new goal here.
I want to sleep early, so...
Sleep early.
sleep early.
So is it a personal resolution?
It's a personal resolution.
Oh, okay. Have you started?
Not yet.
Oh no. Hindi pa in progress?
Hindi pa.
Oh no, why?
January 1 pa guys. Huwag niyo ko ipinipidin. Save more money.
Save more.
Save more. Save grocery. And also start a business.
Is it a personal resolution?
It's a year-long goal. Because that's my goal. Wala bang goals na?
Okay, so that's basically the idea of it. You can add more types dito. And yeah, basically have fun while creating it. Kasi that's the main point of this.
Having fun while getting what you want.
At the same time, visualizing
your
future. Yeah, something like that. So anyway, at the bottom part, we have the habit tracker. Now, this is my favorite part kasi I used to have a habit tracker before na parang buong ganun siya.
Yeah.
Do you remember my habit tracker before?
Yeah.
This is a new setup for my habit tracker. Yung mga dates kasi, you can see it na from here. You can just click it and then you just choose a date.
Yeah, that's really nice kasi nga parang di ka din mahirapan, di ba?
Did you get 8 hours of sleep?
No.
Oh, you didn't? Okay.
Yeah.
How about did you journal?
No, I didn't journal.
Oh, how about did you meditate?
Yeah, I did meditation.
Okay. How about did you run?
No.
What I like about it is look, meron siyang parang progress thingy here.
Yeah, it's like pushing you to do more.
Yeah,
like 4
like
more to go, 3 more to go.
1 more to go, and then
all habits checked off. Wow! May ganong voice, guys.
right? So parang it gets you motivated.
Yeah. If wala kayong motivation, itong papamotivate sa inyo.
You can also view it as a table.
Yeah,
so,
but it's kinda, parang medyo magulo siya for me.
Yeah, for me din. Hindi ko siya masyadong prefer.
Yeah, I want it to be like in the parang mga box. Para mas maganda yung layout and you can see kung talaga yung date and yung mga need mong gawin.
So that's basically our 2023 yearly goal tracker. For sure, may mga templates pa na pwedeng ma-provide yung Notion for you guys, but we just chose this one kasi for me, it's very simple. Also, since we are students, and I know most of our viewers are still students, next year mag-start na naman another term, so we cannot forget it, guys. Aside from planning our goals for next year, it's also important to plan our school. Kasi if we don't plan our school, we might not get a degree. Hindi natin ma-achieve yung goal natin. So we natin check sa yearly goal tracker. So that's really connected, guys. So if you guys want to, school is really important to us. That's why we're gonna plan it as well. So here, this is my old template, but since nga we have new set of subjects, new set of tasks, syempre kailangan din natin i-update.
Okay, hindi ko na lang ipapakita.
Yeah, if you guys haven't watched our previous Notion, ito na lang yung parang simplified tour.
Yeah.
So this is my college Notion. Here I have my weekly schedule.
First thing na makikita mo talaga is your schedule, which is really important para on time ka lagi, lalo na if you have online classes.
Next, I also have my to-do list section per subject. Yeah, per course. For now, malinis na siya. And then at the bottom, I just have this layout. I have the time here.
Yeah.
Ate meron ulit quote. Isip na naman.
Isip na naman ako. I don't change, I attract. Hey!
I also have a quote
A daily
here.
reminder. What is your daily reminder? I don't change,
Oy,
I
yun.
smile, drink your water, work out, remember what you studied, spread love and positivity.
I have a huge calendar. Very helpful to na may calendar view kasi minsan kung nag-schedule ako dito, nakakalimutan ko na kailan ba to, ganyan. So I just look here. I don't need to open
That's the overview
calendar.
kasi ng mismong month. So that's really nice.
Yeah, I just have it in one app.
Okay, so if you guys don't know, Notion is an all-in-one place where you guys can track, organize your tasks.
So don't forget to start your year, guys, with Notion. And again, we will be having the templates all in the description box below, so you guys can just
check it
duplicate.
out.
So yeah, thank you so much, Notion, for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Happy New Year, everyone! See you guys next year. Bye!
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, baby.